Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Storydoc templates. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get started, what exactly is Storydoc all about? Storydoc is a software tool for turning static slides into interactive web presentations. Now it can be used for sales decks, landing pages, reports, pitch decks, proposals, and more. So you might be wondering, what exactly is that? So have a think about your PowerPoint presentation. It gets rid of that boring way of showing or showcasing your work and turning it into an actual website. So there's a lot of opportunities and creativity that you can add and just give that little bit of flair for your presentations. So that leads us into the question of who is Storydoc and what exactly do they do? And as well as that, what is it for? So Storydoc was created as a primary tool for business content. Now it's perfect for sales teams, marketing teams, and account managers. Storydoc can be used across all business roles as well as industries. So whenever you need a great presentation, Storydoc is there to offer it. So now that we've got a little bit of an overview on what Storydoc is all about, let's hop into it, take a look at some of the templates, and we'll try to build one ourselves. Now, just to be aware, Storydoc is free, only for a 14 or 30-day trial period. So you will have to pay for it. Now, there is their little pricing plan here, which we'll take a look at. So they do have their starter pack, which is at $30 per month. You've got your pro pack for $45 per month. And of course, you've got your team plans, which is more or less the enterprise way. And that's with 10 team seats. So you have CRM integrations, custom subdomain. At the end of the day, you're going to be making more or less a website. So that's when subdomains start coming in, and you've got CRM integrations as well. But that would only be for the actual team plan. But anyway, go ahead and log in if you already have an account, or you could just go ahead and click on Create Free. You'll be brought to the sign up, so you can sign in with Google or you can create an account with them. So we already have an account, so we'll go ahead and log in. So here we have the actual dashboard of Storydoc. You've got your username on the top right, you've got create a new Storydoc. Just below it, you can do a live draft. You've got your stories above, my analytics, settings, help, and of course, since we are limited, we would have to upgrade now. But anyway, we can still continue on with this review. So we can view our templates if we want, or we could go ahead and view the Storydoc templates. They have quite a bit to choose from. You can see they do have some of the ones that are popular, and the ones that are popular is the trending ones. As you can see, they've got company presentation, they've got sales one pager, general business proposal, you've got startup pitch deck, annual report, sales pitch deck. More or less everything that you would want is here. They've even got one for position acceptance plan, job offer proposal, employment proposal letter. So you're not stuck for choices, you've got a few to pick from. And as well as that, if you're looking for something in particular, you can go ahead and take a look at the sales and marketing. You've got pitch decks as well. You've got proposals. So general business proposal, sales proposal template, marketing proposal, and you have your actual reports. So annual report, corporate report, ebook, you've got NGO report, impact report, webinar as well. And then we'll take a look at the brochures, just so you guys can see. So company intro, physical product one pager, general business one pager, marketing one pager, real estate one pager. Then you've got your startups as well. So wait on that to load fully. So this is, so they've actually, here are the startups. So again, you've got the likes of VC deck, startup deck, invest deck, project proposal. So you've got the gist of it all. You've got your different templates there. You can also create your own templates if you want. What we can do is create a new story doc, so that's what we'll do. Now you've actually got two options there. So with creating a new story doc, you can start from a template, or you can generate with AI. So what we'll do is we'll generate with AI. So AI is actually in this, which is great. So it'll ask us, what do we want to create? We're going to be wanting to create a one pager, and then with our company being ProfileTree, let's see if it actually takes in this. So we'll just remove that. We'll do this company website. I'll try to actually use a URL link on that and see if that will work. So here we are. That's the actual link for it. We'll go ahead and click next step. So thanks. What's your industry? We'll just say digital marketing and advertising. That'll do. So it's actually went ahead and picked up one of our descriptions. So we've got video production, digital marketing, content marketing, and digital training. And then we'll go ahead and click next. So this is the design period. It'll more or less ask which one would you like to pick. So they've got a couple of options there, 6 options in total. We'll try to pick one nice and simple and something that's easy to follow. So we'll go for that second one there. So we finally loaded up. You can see straight away how it's captured everything from our website down to the actual logo itself. So this is our logo, which is ProfileTree Web Design and Digital Marketing. And we go back to the platform here. Same logo as you can see. Now it says ProfileTree Digital Marketing and Advertising Solutions. More or less there. It's picked out that from somewhere. We've got transforming businesses with effective SEO, content marketing, and more. So we'll scroll down. So you can see how it's going to do an introduction. So hi, and then of course we'll do ProfileTree. And then thank you for your time. Let us show. You can actually just double click that and change the text. So first name. Tree. And then you can see there, ProfileTree is an online platform connecting professionals with employers. It helps usual. So okay, we could say tree. Okay, we'll try web design, see what it comes up with. So this is the AI actually creating this for us. And we can pick out the ones that we would like to keep. So of course, if you do mess about with it a little bit more, you can create a bit of text and font there. But if you do want to as well, you can go ahead and type it out yourself. Depending how you like the actual template, you can go ahead and delete that if you wanted to. You've got a couple of options there as well, like the bold, italics, underline. You've got highlighting as well. You can center off your text alignment if you want to as well. You have text orientation. You've also got list types, and of course you can anchor areas onto there as well. Now, again, it's captured majority of what we have as content, so who we are. ProfileTree is a leading web design and website development agency specializing in SEO expertise, and then our talented team also excels in digital marketing, video production, content marketing, and digital training. So there you are, that is more or less how that works. Now, if you are happy, say with your one pager, you can go ahead and select the preview. and that just gives you an overlook on what you have created. So there you have it. That's pretty much all there is to show in terms of templates. Now, again, you're turning your static slides into interactive web presentations. You can see how stunning they look as well. Now, just showcasing this again, you can see if you flick through them, this is more or less what you can create in terms of an interactive web presentation. Now, you may be wondering as well, it's not just, can you use this for mobile? And yes, so as well as desktop, it is on mobile, so you can see there. So you could scroll it through down, and it will have active domains and links to get through to this particular slide. So there you guys have it. That is some of the different Storydoc templates that's available on there. You can see how amazing this software tool is, the fact that it turns these static slides into interactive web presentations. So I would highly suggest to try it out yourself. But on that note, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, leave us a comment in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.